What do you want this?
You guys like this song?
Yes, I love this song. It's my favorite. I can also tell when to drink it. Because you can hold this favorite music.
Okay, you can pause it. Pause it for me. So you guys want to explain to them what we're doing today?
We are going to be ranking My Hero Academia characters. S, A, B, D, C, and F.
Alright, and we got Zane's My Hero Academia cards here, so you can see the characters. I'm going to just mix them up and give them a character at random, and then we will rank them. So, alright, I think I know where some of them are going, and then some of them I'm going to be fighting to give them a better spot or a worse spot. Try to see if I can convince these kids why these characters should be in different spots. Alright, let's go. Alright, first one. Alright, where do you think she goes? Invisible girl. Yeah, where do y'all think she goes?
Let me read it.
Does it count as also in the game? Because if it counts in the game,
That's Invisible girl. She's S tier in the game?
D tier.
yes,
No,
she's
look,
S tier in the game.
0.
You can get a ton of Toro Huggy.
You think D tier? Molly thinks D tier.
I mean, you
I'm
can
just looking
reuse her
at her
a ton.
weights too.
What do you think, Zane? Invisible girl.
What am I rated?
Detail. She has 0. I gave her detail because
The thing is, there's multiple of them.
Where's her quirk? Invisibility, is that what it's called?
Yeah, see.
I'm gonna give it an A because it's super
A?
in the game.
And D. Look, we got C and D mixed up. Look at us. Alright, so you think A?
I mean, they're good in the game, like really OP. Not in the actual My Hero, it's just the same.
What do you think, Molly?
She can't even rate on the game. She's never
D?
played.
Well, let's go with just the TV show alone. Where do you think she's at?
You don't see her much. D.
D tier?
Solid D.
I get it, you don't see how much.
See her much. You guys
I
are
was
hilarious.
hoping someone would get my pun.
Okay, alright. What's your name?
Kyoka. Kyoka Jiro.
Kyoka Jiro.
Molly likes
Quirk.
her.
Earphone jack. I like S tier? No!
Yeah!
She made
No.
Aaron smile, which is why she likes
She's not S tier.
No, she made
No.
Aaron smile!
Hey, solid B tier.
She made Aaron smile.
I'm cool with it.
I'm
cool with the B.
smile.
She did make Aries smile.
She
did make Aries smile.
Just because the smile of the Airy, B.
B tier. B tier. Earphone jack B tier. Okay.
Kirishima's getting an S tier no matter.
Alright. Sue. Quirk.
Give me that.
Frog.
No.
She's not F tier. She's not F tier. She's
Okay,
not S
fine.
tier also.
We can hit it with a B tier again.
Let's hit it with A tier.
Nah.
B tier. Okay,
C tier then.
C tier.
B tier.
I'm good with C tier.
B tier.
B tier. Frog girl, B tier. Okay. I'm skipping that one for now. This is the one I skipped. I'm not gonna show them because I already know where that one's going.
Let me see.
Vignetta.
No, I'm not
It's
telling you what it
Vignetta.
is. I'm not telling you what
That's
it is.
Vignetta or Kirishima?
Alright, so we got
Oh,
Yoga.
Yoga.
Yuga. His quirk is
cool with an F tier
naval
quirk.
laser. Naval laser. F tier?
Yeah. Okay, D. C.
Yeah,
Because
C.
no one's in C.
I like the kid. I like who's on the video. Yeah.
Oh, you like the dude that raps like him in the video?
C.
So that pulled him up to C? I'll say D.
Yeah, he's pretty
D. Although he is kind of F tier in the show.
In the show,
He's weird in the show.
Yeah.
How he,
And his cheese thing.
Yeah.
His cheese thing is the
Okay. Yeah, that cheese thing is weird. I'm gonna say D tier. He's not that bad. Cause like the naval laser is kind of cool, and then like the airy stuff. You guys gotta say you guys love airy,
Okay, but
and he made all the shiny stuff.
he didn't do anything with Airy. What do you mean?
Like he made
the like disco ball.
the disco ball.
Oh, yeah.
All right,
We get that here.
All right. Minora, Minyetta. He's definitely S tier.
No!
F tier. F tier.
Okay, Minyetta can go in F tier.
He's
I
not
can't
even
even
good.
argue.
He has 3 speed and that's all.
I can't even argue with that one. Tenya, either A tier,
A tier.
A tier,
A tier.
A tier.
Yes,
I almost want to put him in S tier. I like Ida.
Here, can we just kind of put him at
Like
He's half. He's half. He's half.
he's like right there. He's almost S tier, but he's not.
Half.
Yeah, he's almost S tier, but he's not.
We have to.
Ida, I like Ida.
What's your
What's his
favorite
quirk?
thing
What's his quirk called? Engines.
Yes,
Engine.
Engine.
What is Bedora's quirk even called?
Minyara pop off.
Pop off.
Good bless.
Alright. We got Ochaku
Oh, Chaco Uraraka. I
Uraka.
hate Uraraka.
Zero gravity.
Sorry
Yeah.
for all the Uraraka fans, but F.
No!
Yes.
She is not F tier. S tier. S tier. S tier. Uraka is S tier.
C tier.
She is so S tier.
No.
Tier.
She's S tier.
I hate.
Okay. Well. Yeah, you can't even. No. No. Right there.
No, she
right
doesn't.
there.
No.
Her
let
and
me-
Tenya's right there.
Fine.
They're
Fine.
right there. They're almost. They're.
What's that?
Silver, which one's better?
All right. Next we got Coda,
Coda?
whose thing
I
is
do like the rap thing, but
Annie voice.
yep, I will B. Give me B.
B
So
tier.
B.
He's not S tier.
Fine.
No, he's not A tier.
He's B tier.
He's C tier. What does he do?
tier?
What does he do in the show?
He whispers. Yeah, C tier.
C tier.
He's so nice.
He's C tier. He might be nice, but he's the epitome of a C tier.
The whole thing with the present mic though, that was kind of cool.
I will go
I
and
guess. All right, so look. All right, so we got
Don't, Molly.
what's her name?
Minya.
Mina Ashido.
Ashido Minya.
Guys,
Her
we said it
quirk?
the wrong way.
Acid.
Grab it backwards.
No, it says Ashido Minya.
Yeah,
No, but it's Mina Ashido.
Mina Ashido.
Okay.
Her quirk, acid. Where's she at?
Dad is.
Solid F tier.
F tier.
Actually, I
Dad likes
solid D tier.
D tier.
B tier.
I'm thinking B or C. What do you think? B tier.
Only because we love you, Dad.
Stop. Go over there. You still
We
be
don't
over
like
there.
our characters. Is that
Okay. Dinky.
Kaminari. I used to be really good with him. I'm gonna say C tier.
C tier. What do you got, Molly?
What
A
tier?
B tier in the
Oh,
game.
Dinky. Let's give him
Dinky.
stop.
C tier. What do you got?
C tier.
C tier. C.
Why do you have to do it this
I don't know, cause I kind of want to put him in B tier.
Why?
I don't dislike him, and he's part of.
Actually, I do like him because he goes stupid. Let's get him B.
Yes, he's part of Bakugo's group.
Yeah, I like whenever he goes stupid.
Speaking of Bakugo,
Oh yeah.
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 Bakugo, his
Bakugo will
quirk,
be our first S tier.
explosions. I forgot to say the quirk on his. What's his quirk called?
He's good.
Electrification.
Electrification.
And
All right,
if
so
he uses too much, he goes down.
all right, so now we got Bakugo, quirk explosions. What? F tier? I'm just kidding.
I
Bakugo's-
will call him.
He's definitely S tier. Okay.
He's
Mezzo.
my. Wait.
Shuji.
He's my.
Shoji?
He's on my
Shoji.
home screen.
Huh?
He's on my home screen.
Mezzo Shoji, whose quirk is dupla arm, so he got multiple arms.
Yeah.
D. He creeps me out. Yeah.
He's weird. He doesn't do anything in the show.
Yeah, except for the one thing where they go say Tokoyami. We love Tokoyami.
Yeah, also the thing.
She's low-key bae.
Midoriya, and also
He
carried.
That's Momo.
Momo.
I can see through the camera lens.
That's funny. So we got Momo. Fight me. Don't you dare. No. No. Absolutely not. No. Momo's S tier. I don't care. I don't care. Momo's S tier. Momo is S. Zane, put her back. She's
No.
S tier.
I refuse.
How?
S-tier.
She's
Give me
S.
this.
Momo's S tier.
Ah.
Okay, stop.
The thing is,
Stop.
she loses confidence whenever Todoroki comes in. Todoroki's smarter.
Okay, so what? Some people lose confidence. Still, Momo is still.
Fine, I'll give it to you.
Hey Google,
Only because I'm annoyed.
who's better, Todoroki or wait?
Momo.
Wait, no, come on. Who's better? The best
Okay,
one?
so we got
Who's better, All Might or
Mashiro. It's the tail dude.
Tail dude. Yeah, don't even try and pronounce it because I can't.
Yeah, I didn't even use my actual phone.
Mashiro Ajiro. Tail guy.
He wears a gi and I don't know what that is.
Oh, I know him, Tail Guy.
Yeah,
Tail guy?
No one likes tail guy. Also, how is he supposed to have the tail?
I'm gonna put him over here with C tier.
Okay, deal. Like this.
I'll do it.
So far, I could rank everybody.
We got a
except
lot
Bakugo.
of really good ones left. We got a lot of really good ones left. We got a lot. We got a lot of really good ones left. Okay, I'm not gonna give y'all that one yet. Hinta Zero.
Monta Zero?
Oh, I hate him. F tier.
Nah.
D tier.
I kind of.
His quirk is tape.
I hate him.
Tape.
Tape. Yeah, I don't like tape. I don't like tape. I just don't like using tape. It doesn't stick well.
So you think he's F tier with Minyetta?
Okay, no, he's not as bad as Minyetta. He's a D tier.
D tier
Okay.
with the creepy dude?
He gets to go with the tail guy.
With tail guy. Okay. I almost give him B tier because I don't dislike him.
Yeah, he's kind of creepy though. He could go with the creepy guy.
Alright. So we're getting to some of the best ones now.
Todoroki.
Alright, but we're gonna give Rikido Sato.
Sato?
Rikido Sato.
Let me see him.
Sato Rikido?
Quirk Sugar Rush.
Oh, I like him.
He makes me hungry.
B.
Nah. Not A tier. Definitely not A tier. I'm thinking
S because Soba. Yes.
no, he's not S tier.
I want to
A-
try Soba.
A, B, or C, I see.
Spoiler, guys. A Cooking with the King will have Soba.
B tier. Okay, I can agree with that. B tier. He's a solid B tier. He's almost A tier. Alright. So this is the last four right here. And I know where most of these are
I
going.
need to see a show
Okay. I'm gonna mix these up with y'all. So they can. Alright, here we go. Not giving them the one they want yet.
I can only see
Alright. Tokoyami.
Oh yes! A tier! Mom! I mean S tier, sorry.
Oh, Mom. Mom loves him. I don't know why.
He's almost like
My brother also loves him.
the most godly tier.
Dark Shadow.
Yeah, he needs to be like all the way. I don't even know. He goes. Yeah.
No. No, alright, put him up here at S tier.
Yep, S tier.
Dark Shadow is a pretty cool quirk. He probably has one of the best quirks.
And it's super OP in the game. Like a video game.
So you put him behind your dude so we can't see him. Just put him in front with the rest of them. Okay. Izuku Midoriya, my man. Izuku Midoriya. B tier? A tier. A tier? A tier.
No.
A.
A tier.
A.
A tier.
A tier. Fight me.
I will.
A tier.
Let's go.
How is he B tier? And once he mastered, okay, once he gets full calling,
Calling?
you know what I'm saying, full calling. Once he starts mastering it,
Okay, listen, I'll give you this, guys.
A tier, exactly. With the rest of his clique, they're all A tier. All right. For Zane,
Hiroshima! I didn't even have to look. Yeah, just Hiroshima.
all right, F tier.
Whoa,
All right, so
whoa,
now.
if you're gonna give him...
All right, don't scream.
The
All
one
right,
that's not done is Todoroki.
who's this?
Todoroki.
Who's this guy? Oh, we didn't tell. What's his quirk?
Hardening.
Hardening, so he just gets hardened. All right. Shoto. Shoto Todoroki. The only reason why we started watching this show is because we watched him versus what's his name?
My
Zuko.
quest. My quest.
Him versus Zuko in a death battle. All right,
My
put him where he goes.
He deserves to be over where we
All right, so this is where we're at. This is where we at. S tier.
I love how we only have one.
S tier. We got three in A tier, but they could be S tiers. We got all these in B tier.
Except for Ochako. Ochako's staying
B
in
tier.
A. I don't even agree with her being in A.
B tier.
Ochako gets an F.
Midoriya is an F tier, the only F tier. These guys we got Minyata, sorry, the other M word. And then we got these in C tier. Leave a comment if you agree. Who would you change? Tell us what you
Hey,
think.
my favorite. Quest. These.
Who else you crushing on Bakugo?
on my home.
Molly crushes them on the three main guy
I
characters.
don't like any.
I just got Zane to admit that he likes Momo. Zane admitted he likes Momo. Yes, it's going in. Zane likes Momo. Thank you. That's all I wanted.